Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna go talk about brute forcing secret keys um, in a attack, JWT attack known as authentication bypass via weak signing keys. So let's read a little bit into it. This is kind of, I'm remaking this video because the last video did not come out with audio. So you guys are gonna see 3 and 4 relatively in time span, like 1 day or two within each other because this is a re-upload. So, as it says here, it says some signing algorithms such as HS256 use an arbitrary standalone string as a secret key. Just like a password, it's crucial that the secret key can be easily guessed or brute forced by an attacker. You know, making the key, making a mixture of capital, lowercase letter, adding symbols, numbers, all that good stuff. Otherwise, they may be able to create JSON Web Tokens with any header and payload values they like, then use the key to re-sign the token with a valid signature. So if you brute force the key, you can edit payload, edit the header, then re-sign the token with a valid signature because you do have the key, right? Brute forcing secret keys with hashcat. Okay, this is all good. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's set up our burp suite. Let's do all that. Let's have it running. Actually, let's have this turned off right now and let's access the lab first. So, to solve the lab, brute force the website secret key. Once you've obtained this, use it again. Use it to sign a modified session token that will give you access to the admin panel at /admin and delete the user Carlos. Sure, we could do that. So, let's log in with the credentials they gave us. By the way, today's video is going to be short. I kind of go over the vulnerability a little bit and then show how I solved the lab. If you find other ways to solve it, or you want to go more in depth into the specific vulnerability, or just JSON Web Token attacks in general, you know, there's a bunch of sources online, and I will always link at least one resource in every video. So let's turn this on. Let's catch the request. Oh, this was on. So let's log out, turn this off, and then let's log back in. Right here, Peter, catch this. This is good. Before we do this, let's go to the BAP store and download our extensions. Where's J? JSON Web Tokens right here, and JSON Web Editor. Let's download both of those. Okay, now let's send this to repeater. Okay, so now once we repeater, we can select extension JSON Web Tokens, and just as the videos prior, administrator, we want to access with administrator access. Algorithm HS, port trigger, expiration date, sure. So now this is the part where we want to grab the JSON Web Token and brute force for the secret key. Let's remove this. So we downloaded the secrets list that they provided here. You need a valid sign from the target server and a word list of well-known secrets. You can then run the following command, passing the JWT and word list as our arguments. So we can do JWT Attacks. Let's paste our token there. And do we have our... Yes, here we go. Let's just run our hashcat mode. We're gonna run aggressive 0 mode 16,500. We're gonna provide our token and the list as our parameters, and here we get the key value of secret 1. So that is a weak password, all lowercase, just one letter. That's super easy to solve, well, to crack. So now we are going to relocate signature and we are going to provide secret 1 as the signature. Now if we go back to repeater and see this as raw, we can send this bad request. Yes, let's delete this section of our header, and we should have an HTTP code 200, and we see here that our username is administrator. So we re-signed the signature let me copy this. So now we can paste this forward. Then we are administrator. Let's go to admin panel. Let's keep updating our JSON web token. And then we want to delete the user Carlos. And here we should be successful, and we solved the lab. So in today's video, we were able to crack the secret key, and then we were able to re-sign the token with a valid signature using the key that we were able to crack. So that's why it's important to make sure that there are random characters, numbers, random capitalizations of letters, and overall just a strong password, just how you would use it for a regular site, you know. So thank you guys for watching, and video number 4 explaining JSON web token header parameter injections will be coming up soon. So thank you guys.